Hey guys, Jamie101 here, and today we are going to be doing our real first pack opening, so let's get into this. So I got a pro pack. Let's see who we can get. Open pack. Come on. And, okay, well, nobody got this pack. Let's see what we could get next pack. Here we go, next pack. Boom. Well, update team. Defense goes up by 1. Not bad, not bad. Alright, last pack. Let's see what we can get. Oh, that's nice. Holy smokes. No way. And it goes up by 1. Oh, not a bad pack. Not a bad pack at all. Jesus, look. Everything. Okay, let's go here. Look at that. Wow. Alright guys, hopefully you've enjoyed. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more content, and I'll talk to you guys all later. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya.